I'm at the airport, about to be boarding on my flight to Oahu. Super stoked to see everybody. Alright guys, I just landed in Honolulu. Super stoked to be here. What's up guys? So right now we're about to eat at one of my favorite restaurants in Oahu. It's called Chicken Rock? Is it called?
Sick-a-rock.
Sick-a-rock. So we're here, we're waiting for our table. What's up guys? It is my second day here in Oahu and I'm super stoked. On the beach right now. Got my cousin, her girlfriend in the background. So tomorrow, I'm super stoked, is my car meet and greet. So can't wait to see everybody and see all the cars. I know a bunch of my friends are coming out. It's gonna be an awesome day. Oh, he's not gonna gun it?
I missed. Wow, that braking power.
What's up guys? Right now I'm on my way to my meet and greet. That's at Corp Oahu. I'm super stoked to see everybody. Can't wait to see the cars. It's gonna be awesome.
What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Hawaii day number 3.
Want to say anything, Jared?
No.
Oh, damn. Camera shy. Just getting food right now, guys. We just finished up the meat. This is for the vlog.
For the vlog?
It is. Oh, I got a wide angle. I can't even zoom in on you.
Oh, here, for the vlog. This is why we're all gathering today.
Oh, for your vlog. Oh, I thought you were video for mine. Yeah.
Cool.